Today we're going to be acting out the story of Ruth. And my name is Ruth, and I will be Orpah, plus storyteller.
Hello, my name is Peyton, and I will be Naomi.
Hi, my name is Kenzie, and I will be Ruth.
Hi, my name is Limpy, and I'm going to be Boaz.
Once upon a time, there was a woman named Naomi. She had 2 sons and 1 husband. They went to this land called Moab, and her 2 sons got married there. The sons got married to were named Orpah and Ruth. But then there was a sad time when Orpah and Ruth's husbands died, and Naomi's husband died too. Her husband plus both of her sons had died, and no more sons and no more husband.
You all should go back to your homes. I have lost my sons, and I don't have a husband anymore. You should all go back where you are loved.
Bye, Mother Naomi. Love you.
Love you. Ruth, you should go as well.
Oh, I want to stay with you. Your people will be my people. Your God will be my God. Wherever you stay, I will stay.
And so Naomi and Ruth went to their home country. Naomi and Ruth keep praying to God in their hometown. And they didn't have any food, so Ruth went out to a rich person's, which his name was Boaz, field, and went to pick some food.
Who is the woman?
Her name is Ruth. She has come with her mother-in-law Naomi, and she is very kind and very generous.
Get food for her.
Then Boaz became and loved Ruth, and Ruth loved Boaz, so they got married. And then they had a son named Obed. For today, our lesson is Ruth loved Naomi. And so she got blessing from God. She was married to a rich man. She had a baby, and God blessed her a lot. And the second lesson is Naomi and Ruth obeyed and loved and prayed to God every day. So God takes care of them and keeps watch of them. So boys and girls, if you pray to God, worship God, and believe Him, God will take care of you. And if you love other people as yourself, you will have received lots of blessings. Bye! Thank you for watching!